Okay, so you've got the latest version of Runecast Analyzer and you're excited to have a look at the remediation capabilities that come in there. So let's take a look. Let's just go into the All Issues view. We'll be able to see which issues we can remediate right now. So we can see down here we have a couple of the findings that have this R icon next to it. These are the ones which have built-in remediation capabilities. If I just go up here and check the box to show only remediatable items, that will just show us those. So let's take a look. We can see here that we have got some ESXi hosts that have the SSH service running. Here's all of the details here. Now, if we want to remediate that, we could go to each host. We could, manually stop all of these things, but we want to make this as automatable as possible. So let's click remediate and see what we've got. So from here, we can see all of the different objects that are remediatable. And if we scroll down here, so let's just select a couple of them. Maybe we just want to do that one on Death Star. We'll do the entirety of, we can do whatever we like, really. So all of the details are here. We can see the summary. We're going to stop the SSH service on these two ESXi hosts. And we're also going to set the SSH service policy to start and stop manually, so that the next time that the host reboots, the service is stopped. We can then click on Generate Script. This will automatically generate a script that is scoped to the specific environment. So we can see here, we're going to connect to that specific vCenter server. And if we scroll down here, we have the host object IDs. So these have been pulled directly from that vCenter. So this is the correct, this is scoped just for the object that we've selected. And then we can see the Power CLI down here. We can see, okay, we're going to get the host. We're going to stop the TSM SSH service, and then we're going to tell you that either we've been able to do it or there was a problem if that wasn't possible. And then we're going to disconnect from the vCenter server, and away we go. We're all done. As we can see, we also have some other stuff in here as well. Now we also have the option to generate Ansible playbooks. So if Ansible is more your bag, again, we're generating all of this stuff in here. So we can copy all of this stuff to the clipboard, or we can download the script as well. So let's just download the Power CLI, and then we'll open it up in Visual Studio Code. So here we can go, we can see, again, we've got all of the stuff in here with all of the code highlighting. We can then take that, export that, and we can execute it against our environment, helping to go from a very non-compliant environment to a much more compliant state. Now, as you probably noticed at the beginning, there aren't remediation actions for everything as things stand. So we'll be rolling out more and more and more auto-generated script capabilities over the coming weeks. These will be coming as part of our weekly knowledge definition updates. Thanks for viewing.